Eh bien, salut à tous, c'est What's Up Berry du Bretzel Show. Et aujourd'hui, on se retrouve pour la partie 3 de Batman de Telltale Series. Donc, on s'avait laissé, on était rendu à rentrer dans le parc Cobblepot. Donc, on va aller inspecter des petits trucs. Ah, ok, attends, on monte. On n'a même pas eu le temps d'aller voir les trucs, ok. Alright, on va aller voir le sans-abri. Oh, pauvre lui. Tonneau en feu. Ah, ok, c'est gèle les mains, hein, Bruce. D'accord. Donc, on n'a rien qu'à continuer. En retard, retrouve-moi la statue. Oz.
There's the statue, but no Oz.
Chariot. Ok. Trafiquant. Y a-tu de quoi à dire, lui?
Hey.
Beat it.
Il est donc ben laid. Puis tout ce qu'il arrive à dire, c'est dégage. Oh, il y a des petits trucs là-bas. Graffiti. D'accord, on va aller checker ça. Alright. La plaque. Cobblepot Park.
Well, it isn't what it used to be.
Ce n'est plus comme avant. Ben oui. Ok, y avait-tu d'autres choses qu'on pouvait aller checker? Ah, il y a un autre graffiti ici. Et après ça, on va aller à la statue. Ah, merde. Alright. Statue.
Watch wallet cash.
Oh, ok. Tu joues au malin maintenant.
Through you.
Ah, ok. Il y en a deux.
Hey, you heard him, man.
Passez votre chemin, venez les chercher. Bon,
The
du
hell are
calme.
you waiting for?
Venez les chercher, motherfuckers.
Try and take it.
The hell you say? End him.
Gentlemen!
Oz.
Keep walking.
Hey, c'est
alright?
Oz.
This don't concern you, twerp.
You see, that's where you're mistaken. My old mate and I have some catching up to do. The moment! Come here. Think that'll do?
Ok, on se bat maintenant. Ok. What? Il est donc bien violent, Oz.
This used to be a nice place. No lives like you don't belong.
Oh, man. What? Il est violent, Oz.
It's my park! Mine! You hear that? Oh, hey Bruce. You've got a little, Yeah, good as new. Woo! That was a right little scrap, eh? Nothing kickstarts
Ça a été trop loin, je contrôlais la situation. C'est ce que- Je contrôlais la
Hey, I
situation.
could have handled that myself.
You mean a knife handle in the back? Because that's what would have happened, mate. No offense.
Yeah, right.
It's been what? 2 decades?
And you know what? I haven't been mugged once that entire time.
Yeah, that wasn't why I brought you here, mate. Right now, I am trying to recognize the little Bruce I used to run around this place with. Back when it wasn't, you know, like this. This park used to mean something. A place that was safe for kids, for families. People came from all over the place.
Il devrait être rasé, vous avez
Oh,
raison,
Dad,
c'est
they put
dommage.
so much work in it.
Non, fuck. Ah.
This place is a wreck. It's better off bulldozed.
This park still matters to me, Bruce. It's all my folks left behind.
Fuck, j'ai pas appuyé sur la bonne chose, je voulais appuyer sur carré, merde.
This city chews right through people. Mum committed to Arkham. Dad Ended it yourself, you did? My family's fortune. There's nothing left, Bruce.
I know. Alfred told me.
It's funny, huh? Same place that ground my family to dust. Gave you the good life. Used to run in the same
Moi aussi j'ai perdu mes parents, c'est comme ça, je suis désolé. Moi aussi j'ai perdu mes parents.
Round the world vacations, unlimited potential.
My parents are gone too, Oz.
I know, Bruce, I know. I'm sorry for it. But I had my own funerals to attend. You know, when I saw you at the party last night, I thought, Bruce Wayne. Hasn't changed a bit. Maybe I was wrong. Shouldn't have been a surprise when I saw you with Carmine Falcone. Made himself right
Si
at
on est
home.
politique, je ne l'ai pas invité, ce n'est pas ce que tu crois. Je ne l'ai pas invité.
Falcone was an uninvited guest. That's it. Never want to see his face again.
On that, we can agree in earnest.
Bon.
Falcone made a stack of cash and corpses a mile high, ruining families like mine. All he needs is a little push. And it'd be a treat to watch him hit pavement. Sorry, mate. This reunion got a lot more grim than I planned. Things are gonna be on the upswing soon, no? A revolution is knocking on Gotham's door, and I'm here to let it in. Which brings me to you, Bruce. You see, you throw a rock in any direction, you break a window that Wayne Enterprises owns. As the rich and powerful go, oh, you top Gotham's list. But when my revolution starts, we're gonna smash windows and cross off names all the way down.
Tu
Like I
n'auras-
said, it's not
Je ne
gonna
suis
be
pas ton ennemi. Je ne suis pas ton ennemi, on est amis.
I'm not your enemy, Oz.
That remains to be seen, don't it? I've got great affection for you, Bruce. I really do. Which is why I'm warning you. When this whole thing starts, make sure you're on the right side. Good seeing you, Bruce, but I got some rocks to collect. Cheers.
En fait, je trouve qu'il est un peu fucked up, hein, ce gars-là. Hein. Mais il est violent, mais au début, vous avez pas vu comment il était violent. La conférence de presse pour la nouvelle, j'ai rien vu, putain. Merde. Bon, ça va faire rapport avec la conférence de presse. Ça devait être Alfred, je pense que c'était Alfred. Ou c'était... Harley. Harley ou Harvey? Harvey. Moi, je pense que c'est Harvey. Ah, c'est l'Arkham Asylum. Future home of Thomas and Martha Wayne. Oh! Belle voiture, toi.
Mr. Wayne, over here, right here.
This way.
Bruce!
Wow. Bonjour, ça suffit les photos. Les ignorer, on va les ignorer.
Morning, Mr. Dent.
Hey, Bruce, you mind if we swap cars? I mean, mine isn't fast and the paint's rusting off, but boy, does she have charm. We didn't bring you all out here to discuss cars, honestly. We're here about Arkham Asylum. Ever since it opened its doors, Arkham has been a breeding ground for the
Peut-on
criminally
parler?
insane.
Hey, merde.
Its methods for rehabilitation
Il y a pas
proved.
maintenant.
Its security.
Ignorer, on va ignorer, on n'a pas le temps.
But today, with a sizable contribution from this man here, we break ground on a state-of-the-art mental health care facility. One that will improve the well-being of Gotham and its citizens for years to come. And Mr. Wayne has a few words he'd like to say. Bruce?
Le crime est partout, les malades ont besoin de nous, mes parents en auraient été honorés. Les malades ont besoin de
For
nous.
those with mental health issues, there are no cuts or scrapes. Their ailments are often invisible, but inside, they're suffering. You know, when I was 9 years old, my parents took me to see a movie about a hero in a mask. It was a hero who stood up to oppression and defended the people from injustice, no matter the cost. That night, my parents paid the ultimate cost defending me from a man
Hey, c'est Miss Vale.
who needed the kind of help this new facility will provide.
Une terrible leçon, ça ne se reproduira pas. Harvey est un symbole d'espoir. Harvey est un symbole
With this
d'espoir.
facility and our next mayor, my hope is in Harvey. To make sure a night like that never happens again.
Today, on the anniversary of that fateful night, we dedicate this facility to Thomas and Martha Wayne and usher in a new era of healing for Gotham.
Les applaudissements, yeah!
I'm sure you all have plenty of questions about the new hospital, so let's open it up. You first, Miss Vale.
Thank you. With the opening of this new hospital, what does this mean for Arkham Asylum? What happens to the old
Le
building?
laisser, ses jours sont révolus. Le démolir. On va démolir.
We should tear down the walls and erase it from the map. I don't want us lingering on past mistakes. I want us to focus on Gotham's future. All right, who's up next? You there.
Mr. Wayne, Julia Remark of the Tribune. My sources say you welcomed alleged mob boss Carmine Falcone into your home. You even spoke with him behind closed doors.
Falcon n'est pas un ami, c'est un invité de Harvey. C'est un pays libre. C'est un invité de Harvey.
Harvey
Fuck.
is the one who invited him. Personally, I would never welcome that man into my home. Anyone
Sorry.
else have a question?
Please keep your questions on topic, people. We're here about the hospital, remember?
Lire le texte, fuck off. C'est urgent.
But Mr. Wayne, this morning the Globe received evidence of an offshore bank account managed by Carmine Falcone and your father, Thomas Wayne.
What exactly are you implying?
Transactions connected to organized crime going back years and continuing to this day. The paper trail ties your family directly to the mob.
What?
Care to comment?
Comment osez-vous accuser mes parents? Aucun commentaire. Qui d'autre a reçu cette preuve?
How dare you?
Comment osez-vous?
I just finished telling you about my parents' murder and you accuse them of being, what, criminals? Have some decency.
Mr. Wayne, is all your money dirty?
Is the Wayne family legacy built on lies?
Did you know about this, Bruce?
How long has your family been dealing with Falcone?
What?
The allegations be true.
What are you telling us?
Does the mob sign
Cette
Wayne with
cette interview est terminée.
paychecks?
Fuck off.
All right, this press conference is over.
Mr. Wayne!
How long has your family been dealing with Falcone?
Could the allegations be true?
Did you know about this, Bruce?
What aren't you telling us?
I'm sorry about this, Bruce. I don't know where the hell it's coming from. Damage control's my territory. We'll talk later. Everyone, please settle down. I'll be fielding your questions from here on out. Please, let's
Bon.
try to keep this civilized.
Bruce, I've been trying to reach you. The police are inside the manor.
Quoi? What? La police est dans le manoir. What the fuck? Rencontre avec la presse. Ok, what the fuck? On a la police chez nous. Et merde. Alright, on continue ça. What the fuck is going on?
Hey, careful! Put it back.
I'm afraid we can't, Mr. Wayne.
Says who?
This warrant.
Gordon, vous commettez une grossière erreur. Allez-y, faites votre travail. Non, rien. Vous commettez une grossière erreur.
There's gotta be a mistake.
That's what we're here to find out. Maybe we made a mistake. Maybe you did.
Alfred, keep an eye on them. Make sure they only take what they have to.
Of course, sir.
I meant what I said about not personal. We only want files related to Wayne Enterprises. The warrant covers your place, pardon me, places of
Qui vous a donné
residence.
l'autorisation? Qu'est-ce que vous trouver ici? Je refuse.
Your holdings are extensive.
Qui vous a donné
Who
l'autorisation?
authorized this?
I know you and the DA are buddy-buddy, but this one came from the top. It's a valid warrant. I gotta serve it. Mayor Hill signed off on this himself.
Et vous obéissez simplement à ses ordres, le procureur et moi son mamie, le maire Hills est corrompu. Oh fuck.
Well, Hill has a history of making his opposition disappear.
Rumors and allegations, Mr. Wayne, that's all. But if they become fact, I'll handcuff him myself, same as any other crook. I don't know how your neck ended up on Mayor Hill's shopping block, but here we are.
Hill knows if I go down, Harvey's campaign goes down too.
That'd be a real shame. Mr. Dent's the only DA I ever trusted to make a conviction stick. As mayor, I think he can finally turn things around for us. For all our sakes, I pray you've got nothing to hide.
What? Oh non, ils ont pas fait échapper la photo de... Ils ont pas fait échapper la photo de famille de Bruce? Mort. Putain que c'est chiant ça.
Bruce, stay back.
Take whatever you want.
You don't have to do this.
What? Man. Holy fuck.
Bruce.
Avec les 3 billets de cinéma.
Bruce? I didn't mean to interrupt, but
Je ne voulais pas vous déranger, je suis occupé, aucun problème. Comment êtes-vous rentré? Aucun problème.
It's not a problem, really.
Bruce. First the mayor's office, now Wayne Manor. Gotham continues its streak of break-ins.
Really going for the record, huh?
Listen, Bruce. A scandal surrounding a beloved family like yours captures the public's attention. I can help you get the right kind of attention. Through my connections at the Gazette,
C'est très aimable à vous, ne vous mêlez pas de ça. Quel est votre point de vue? C'est très aimable à vous.
I appreciate the offer, Miss Vale, but trying to say I'm the good guy here.
Instantly makes you look bad. I get it. So let me say it for you. The Gazette received this supposed evidence like every other media outlet, and it's all hearsay. Flimsy sources. There isn't a shred of hard proof.
Still, allegations like this, they don't magically appear. Someone is going after my family, after me.
Obviously, the sender didn't identify themselves. We have no idea who it could be. I mean, no one's
C'est une
even done
véritable
their due
frénésie
diligence on this
médiatique.
yet.
Falcon
The
est
press
derrière
saw
tout
the
ça. C'est
fumble,
lié
grabbed the
c'est lié aux
ball,
élections.
and ran.
Falcon,
Carmine
fuck off.
Falcone wants me to be in his pocket. He crashed Harvey's fundraiser and pretty much said, hop in.
Well, maybe he thinks putting a little fear in you will make you jump.
It won't.
By tonight, this scandal will be broadcast to every screen in Gotham. Everyone will be talking about it.
This isn't my first pass through the rumor mill. I know the damage it can do.
Then go on the record. Right here, right now, and stop it. You need to get out ahead of this.
Commencez,
Your
fuck
side
off.
is what matters, not wild speculation.
On the record, then.
Whenever you're ready.
Cette histoire est bidon, justice sera faite. Ma famille est innocente. Ma famille est
The Wayne
innocente.
family has always been a cornerstone of Gotham. We have never had and never will have connections to organized crime.
That's exactly what the people of Gotham need to hear. You're gonna beat this, Bruce. The Waynes always come out on top.
Goodbye, Miss Vale.
Ah, finalement, elle est bien gentille, cette fille.
I hate to admit it, but everyone smells smoke. A fire is heading this way.
Batman has made plenty of enemies. We've done nothing but support Gotham, even in its darkest days.
All this on the anniversary of your parents'
It's not a coincidence.
Ouais. Excusez-moi.
Harvey's the district attorney. He should have told me this was coming.
Then find out why he didn't.
Alright. Donc, on va encore un petit peu continuer. Hein.
hell's going on? Wait, does this have to do with the
Quelqu'un est
reporters
après
we're
moi,
talking
tu
about
dois
this morning?
arranger ça, tu ne sais pas.
That press conference turned into a bloodbath.
Quelqu'un est après moi.
Yeah, someone's coming after me.
Let's avoid making another scene, shall we? Press is already up my ass as it is. Mayor Hill authorized this?
Yeah, then the cops raid my house, taking everything related to Wayne Enterprises. Computers, hard drives, files.
Oh, son of a bitch.
You're the goddamn DA, Harvey.
I didn't know about this. I swear. Hill totally
Ça
blindsided
suffit
me.
les excuses, tu m'as il nous a pris tous les deux par
He
surprise.
has no right to
Je veux pas mêler
issue
Harvey
without
avec
my
ça, il
okay.
est gentil lui.
Okay, I believe you, Harvey. Mayor Hill's trying to screw us both over with this move.
And then he's made 2 enemies. I just don't get it. Why would Hill stick his neck out over this? Just to tangle you up in some frivolous investigation? It just doesn't make sense.
C'est Falcon, c'est de la politique, je compte bien le découvrir. C'est Falcon, fuck off.
Cheap headlines.
Do you think Falcone could be behind it?
He didn't seem too thrilled after the fundraiser. Oh, God, what a mess. Bruce, I wish I could just make this go away, but I'm not sure if I can. If I get in the way of this investigation, Hill would be able to spin it as a conflict of interest. And that wouldn't be good for either
Je le
of
ferai
us.
moi-même, on se serre les coudes, garde tes
Jeopardize
distances.
the entire campaign.
On se serre les coudes.
We need to fight back. Hill cannot get away with this.
It may not be a war we can win.
The city
Harvey a été
around you,
attentif.
Harvey, just
Bon,
like
cool.
I am.
There you are.
Hey, you?
Sorry. I got a habit of being late.
No, just glad you made it.
Attends une minute, c'est... Oh, non. Fuck, man.
You didn't
On
tell me
est
you were
avec
bringing
Catwoman.
This is Selena.
Selina, eh ben
I
oui,
hope I'm
et
not
voilà les
ruining
mecs.
everything.
Je m'appelle Bruce Wayne, je pense que nous nous sommes déjà
election
rencontrés
nonsense.
avant.
I think we both
M'appelle Bruce
wanted a
Wayne.
change of topic.
I'm Bruce Wayne.
So you are.
Pleasure to meet you, Miss...
Kyle. The strong grip you've got there.
Quel malaise, les amis.
I'm not gonna fall.
Oh, right, sorry.
Je ne vais pas tomber.
Selena's
Oh.
new to town. I've been showing her around Gotham, introducing her to people.
You're an excellent tour guide.
Comment vous avez fait cet œil au beurre noir? Qu'est-ce qui vous a amené à Gotham? Vous avez fait des rencontres intéressantes. Cet œil au beurre noir, putain, on va faire un malaise.
Bruce?
It's okay. Money doesn't buy manners, right? I was mugged. I'm just angry I let that masked freak get away with all my stuff.
I still can't believe I let you
Avez-vous
walk
vu le
home
voleur? La
alone.
police n'est pas
I
intervenue.
should've called you a
Qu'avez-vous
car.
perdu? La police n'est
It's
pas,
not your
n'est
fault.
pas, n'est pas intervenue.
That's terrible. Did they catch the guy?
Not yet. But if they don't, I will.
It's probably long gone by now. Whatever that idiot took.
I hope not. These were important materials.
Ooh, sensitive?
Very. I don't know how I'm gonna explain this to my client. And things like this happen in my line of work.
Ils comprendront que faites-vous dans la vie. Vous trouverez un autre client.
We should just be
Que
thankful
faites-vous
you got
dans la
away
vie?
with the black eye.
On change de sujet tout de suite.
So, what do you do for a living?
It's complicated. High risk, high reward.
Stock market, huh?
Something like that. At least I'm not the only one who's taken a beating. That press conference? Oof.
We've got it under control.
Do you?
I'll handle it. Someone at my office has to know what's going on. Excuse me a moment.
Oh putain, il nous laisse en
Hey,
privé.
Harvey.
Oh, la discussion commence, les amis. Merde. Ah, c'est trop malaise, les amis.
Nice to meet the real you.
De même, silence ne te fait pas d'idée. De même.
Likewise.
This explains a lot, actually. How you can afford the fancy armor, the toys. Wouldn't Harvey be surprised? Not to mention,
Ne fais pas une scène, tu es avec Harvey. Désolé pour l'œil. Désolé pour l'œil.
Sorry about the black eye.
It's not the first time a man's hit me.
Sorry to hear that.
Don't worry. I'm not gonna expose you. Yet.
Ok, pour le moment.
I'm curious about something now. I do what I do for money, but you're Bruce Wayne. What's your excuse? I have to.
Je suis quelqu'un de bien, j'ai mes raisons, aucune excuse. J'ai mes
I
raisons.
think you know enough already. The rest is my secret.
And here I was thinking you were starting to get somewhere. How disappointing. You have something that belongs to me. I want it back. This is awkward.
Pour qui tu travailles, ça a l'air important, c'est quelque chose qui m'appartient. Pour qui tu travailles, fuck off.
Who hired you to break into the mayor's office?
My clients prefer to remain confidential. They don't know who I am. I don't know who they are.
But you know who I am.
These people I'm working for, they don't screw around. If I fail to deliver that drive, it's going to cost a lot more than money.
Well, it looks like you've made your bed.
No, we've made this bed, and I'm not going to lie in it alone. You owe me. If they don't get what
Non,
they want,
je
there
peux
will
t'aider,
be
tu n'as pas besoin de moi.
consequences.
Je peux l'aider.
All right, you want my help? You got it. What can I do?
You can give me back the drive.
Not possible.
Listen, I don't have a lot of time. My employer is expecting me to drop it off.
Where?
Just give it back.
The address. Now.
No, give me the drive.
Selena, je t'en prie, tu dois me faire confiance, ne m'énerve pas. Tu dois me faire
You're
confiance.
just going to have to trust me.
I don't do trust. I guess I'm screwed either way. My contact. He'll be expecting a cat, not a bat.
Ah lol.
When are you supposed to meet him?
15 minutes ago. Better hurry.
Everything okay here?
You tell me.
I have my people working on it. We're gonna straighten everything out.
I feel better already. Sorry, but I've got to run.
So soon? Aren't you gonna stay for a drink?
Yeah, Bruce. Stay for a drink?
I'd love to, but I've got another appointment and I really don't want to be late for it.
Oh, all right then. Don't forget to change into your suit.
Ah. Oh my god. Oh mon dieu, le costume. Alors, qu'est-ce qu'elle me donner? Gotham Docks Warehouse 133, don't screw it up. Bon, donc là, ça fait quand même longtemps qu'on joue, donc on va arrêter le 3e épisode ici. Donc j'espère encore une fois que cette vidéo vous aura plu. Si c'est le cas, ben aimez et abonnez-vous à la chaîne de Bretzel Show. Et puis on se laisse sur la cinématique de Batman. Mais après la cinématique, on va se quitter. Donc voilà, c'était What's Up Barry qui vous dit salut en même temps que toute la gang du Bretzel Show. Peace tout le monde.